Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate sales strategies with Chevrolet, full guide step by step clearly. To begin activating sales strategies with Chevrolet, it's essential to understand your target audience. Research the demographics and preferences of potential Chevrolet buyers. Analyze current market trends related to vehicle purchases. Identify the unique selling points of Chevrolet vehicles, such as reliability, technology, or styling. Develop clear, persuasive messaging that highlights these selling points. Create targeted marketing campaigns using digital platforms, social media, and traditional advertising. Leverage Chevrolet's official promotional materials and guidelines to maintain brand consistency. Consider hosting local events or test drive opportunities to engage potential customers. Collaborate with local influencers or community leaders to enhance visibility and credibility. Employ data analytics to monitor the effectiveness of your sales strategies over time. Regularly review and adjust your approach based on customer feedback and sales performance. Train your sales team on Chevrolet's product features and benefits to enhance their selling skills. Utilize customer relationship management tools to track leads and follow up promptly. Foster a positive dealership environment that encourages customer interaction and satisfaction. Engage in after-sales follow-ups to build long-term relationships and encourage referrals. Continuously seek new training opportunities and resources provided by Chevrolet. Stay updated with seasonal promotions and incentives offered by Chevrolet for added competitiveness. Focus on building community ties through sponsorships and partnerships that align with Chevrolet's brand values. Incorporate storytelling into your customer interactions to create deeper connections. Monitor competitors' strategies and identify areas where you can differentiate your offerings. Lastly, maintain an open line of communication with Chevrolet for support and insights into best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.